civil danger warning for the following states or countries: Arundel, Harvard, Howard, Montgomery, Northern Baltimore, Prince George's, Southern Baltimore, Arlington, Falls Church, and Alexandria. At 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the California girls have spread to the countries of Maryland and Virginia. If a California girl sees you in their sight, they will turn you into a California girl. If you're a boy, your male parts get removed and replaced with all female parts, and all your boys' items in your entire house are burned and replaced with girls' items. They will also paint your entire house pink, including your new female-only furniture, and you will be forced to only wear ripped jeans, floppy hats, and slouchy sweaters. The look is well within your reach clothes for the rest of your life. Avoid them at all costs. They are extremely dangerous.
This is a national emergency for the country of Nevada. Please stand by. Nukes have been launched by the California girls. Targets are Las Vegas, Reno, Carson City, and Elko. Seek shelter now. This is KTNV. We will continue to serve the Las Vegas area. We are now seeking shelter.